name is Sandra Schuff. I'm the owner of Evening Light Lavender, and as you can see behind me, we had a storm last night, and it was probably the worst storm I've seen. It was high winds, we had a lot of hail, and we had a lot of rain, and we just planted a new batch of baby lavender, 2,750 of them, that I don't know how many of them are going to survive this, and so that's a pretty devastating hit if they don't. But the 3,500 that we have in the ground already, they are secure in their rooting, and I think that they're going to be okay.
And how long do you think it will take to recover?
I really don't know at this time. I have some college kids from Moody Bible College that work for me, and when they come out, they get to work. Sometimes they amaze me, but in addition to that, we have another 7,500 plants that are going to be arriving here. We go pick them up. We'll be arriving here on Thursday evening that we're also going to have to get in the ground in addition to the cleanup, so that makes it a little more challenging. Well, as you can see, we do have a little damage here on the fields as well. Back behind me, though, these babies that were just planted about 2 days ago seem to be doing okay for the most part. However, you can see that in some of the holes, the plant is there, roots intact as it was planted, but now exposed, so they probably won't make it. But for the vast majority of them, they might be a little dirty, but they look like they're going to survive. So, right across the driveway from where the rocks are now exposed, you can see that the lavender that was established is doing very well. I've got several varieties. This is called Pacific Blue. Down below here, I've got Violet Intrigue, which is just starting to bud. You can see some of that right here. And then over in the field behind me, beyond the lilacs that have been planted, that is a variety that is called Melissa Lilac. Happens to be one of my very favorites. It's a really good oil producer. So we're happy that we didn't get everything destroyed. Our wedding location is still beautiful and green, and we feel very, very blessed.